Hi guys, I'm figuring out how to get your video uploaded. Maybe it'll happen on Monday, but this is a short video to make your AI images into the animations that we saw and the errors that we were having in the main Colab file. So this is just a simple two-step Colab file that will help you out. Link will of course be shared with you in the email. Obviously that's how you got the link. Sorry, but anyway, so it's very simple. Just hit the first play button and this should tell you to access your drive. Now this is for people who were saving in their drive. I will also just share some simple references on how to do it locally if you don't have enough space in your Google Drive. So it's initializing right now. Right, so I think now we should get the right link. So just connect to Google Drive, whatever your Google Drive account is. So now you'll see that once it's got the green tick, yeah, so we got the green tick. Now if you open the sidebar here on the left, there is a folder icon. If you open that in Drive, you'll see My Drive, and then all your files will be there. So within that, this is where we were saving everything. So AI, Stable Diffusion, uh, whatever we did in November, and then the images here, or whichever one, whatever folder they were in. So what I want to do now is to build the video, and I know now that this is the folder path. So it's not very tricky, but just to pay attention. So if you've noticed, it gives you a long string of numbers, and then each image is denoted uh, by a sequential number with five series of five. So it's really simple. What you need to do is, and I've already put one example here, just copy this path of the file of the series that you want to make the video of, and you see here that there is a percentage sign. So everything before that you just delete, paste it in, and remove these numbers. So basically, and single underscore. Basically, this means the sequential numbers with five spaces. So here you have 0, 0, 0 5 times, and so on up till whatever that number might be, right? Then you have to choose a place to save your video as well. So you can choose to do it in another AI, in your other Google file space, but I just want to do it in the same place. So here I'll put the same folder name again with the same prefix, which was the strange number, and here I can just change it to say out.mp4 or mov, whatever I want, and I just need to hit play. Okay, so it's given me the green tick. It wouldn't have updated here, but if I go to my drive now, go to AI, Stable Diffusion, and then let me see where it went. Yeah, so there it is. So this was the sequence 2 0 2 2 1 whatever, and then I said underscore out.mp4, so it's given me the mp4. It's some really strange output. Don't judge it, but that's a simple way to figure out your mp4 or your .mov. So it's very simple. Once again, just hit play, load your Google Drive. After it's loaded, find in the Google Drive, find where the images are, and usually they'll be under My Drive and AI, Stable Diffusion, and then find that particular folder, add that path here and change out the last 5 digits to this particular code, and change out your where you want the mp3 to be mp4 to be saved, and whatever name you want to give. This could be very different. You could just call it output or final or whatever, and hit play, and you should have your MOV or your mp4 ready there. Make sure that you are adding that particular extension, whether you want mp4 or MOV. This will work for both. If you are a little bit clever with FFmpeg, the code is here. You can change it out as you wish. Thank you.